Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we got this beautiful Indian Cheiftain in for an audio upgrade. There was a small upgrade already installed on the bike. Had some car 5 1/4 in the front and some 6 1/2 in the lids with an 800.4. The client used a Davidson audio harness and plug and play DSP, so we were able to reuse that. We upgraded the 5 1/4 in the front to Cicada CHX 5 1/4. We upgraded the 6 1/2 in the lids to NVS Audio carbon fiber sealed backs. We did 8-inch Hertz mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. He had an 800 watt amp. We upgraded that to a 1200, and in the tour pack we did a Sound Digital Evo X2 1600.1. We added a Doobie bass knob. Doobie makes a bass knob specifically for these bikes that goes in the little pocket where the garage door opener would go. It's the same one that's on my Indian Cheiftain. So it gives you control up front with the clip indicator and power light. It's pretty slick the way it goes together. I'll make a separate video on that later. Upgraded the battery to a Braille lithium. Did NVS Audio oxygen-free copper wiring and RCAs. Then we RTA tuned the bike. Bike sounds fabulous. Nice, quick, easy install, clean, and it sounds really good. Check it out.
Slightly transformed, just a bit of a break from the norm, just a little something to break the monotony of all that hardcore dance that has gotten to be a little bit out of control. It's cool to dance, but what about a groove that soothes and moves romance? Give me a soft, subtle mix, and if it ain't dope, then don't try to fix it. And think of the summers of the past, adjust the bass and let the alpine blast. Pop in my CD and let me run a rhyme and put your car on cruise and lay back, cause it's summertime. Drop the verse. It's going down, fade to Black Street. The homies got at me, collab creations. Bump like agony, no doubt. I put it down, never slouch. As long as my credit can vouch, a dog couldn't catch me. Tell me who could stop with Dre making moves, attracting honeys like a magnet, giving them orgasms with my mellow accent. Still moving this flavor with the homies Black Street and Teddy, the original rough shakers.
Lay it down, good lord. Baby got 'em open all the time. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much ground, got game by the now. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away. I can't get her out of my mind.
Wow.
I think about the girl all the time.
Wow.
East side to the west side, pushing back rise, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, it's on what she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I want to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I like to bag it up.
She's got class and style. She knowledge by the time. Baby, never act wild. Very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is a no. Let me tell you.
How do you? I treated you bad, wrong, my dear. But since you went away, don't you know why? Sit around, my head hanging down. And I wonder who's loving you.